The secret to building successful networks is finding like-minded people who have similar goals and aspirations as you. Finding your tribe where you naturally fit. If your personal brand is authentic and effective, you'll find like-minded people will seek you out because they'll see themselves in you and your values. It starts by mapping their networks to see their connections to people and organisations. You need to find a connection, a shared friend or work colleague, an organisation you both belong to. These are conversation openers that are more effective than simply introducing yourself and giving an elevator pitch and hoping they listen. It does take some work, but the payoff is immediate. Once you've established a connection, you can cement the relationship by giving first. That could be inviting them for a coffee and catch up or giving them a free pass to your event. Giving first is the most underrated career strategy, but should be your priority for 2026, and here's why. Helping others without expecting anything in return builds trust, credibility, and reciprocal opportunities over time. The more you give, the more you get. It really is as simple as that. Do your research on the people and organizations you want to work with, find the overlaps and connections that exist, and identify the opportunities to enter the orbit of those people. Have something free to offer them to open the door for further relationship building. Once you've done this a few times, it becomes second nature because you train yourself to network with people in a positive way, emphasizing shared connections that unite us. There's more advice and top tips in my ebook, Marketing Communication Plans with Purpose. Post a comment and I'll send you a free copy.